Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for watching today. In this video guys, I will be talking to you about how you can make money from Facebook. Yes, Facebook is a platform that millions of people use, but most of us, especially the youth, we do not know how to make money from Facebook, or maybe we are not aware that we can equally put in energy and we are able to make money from Facebook. So today's video, I'll be telling you some of the things that you need to know, and equally I want to let you know that you can make money from Facebook. All right, it doesn't matter where you are, just know that you can make money from Facebook. I'm going to tell you the things that you need in order to make money from Facebook. First of all, remember, for you to make money on any social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, you need to have certain requirements. You need to meet certain requirements. All right, there are requirements everybody must meet. So now, for you to actually make money, first on Facebook, the requirements is that there are two key requirements, two that you need to meet in order to let me say monetize your Facebook page. All right, again, let me also quote here that you are not monetizing any type of Facebook. You are only going to monetize your Facebook page. All right, not a normal Facebook. You are only monetizing a Facebook page. Now, creating a Facebook page is not difficult. All right, all you need to do is, if you already have a Facebook profile, you go to the section that says pages, then you create a page from there. It's as simple as ABC. You create, and make sure you put it to be a business page. Then you grow the page. For growing the page, I'm still going to make another video on how you can grow a Facebook page. All right. Now, as you are growing the page, you should keep in mind that there are certain things you shouldn't do on the page in case you want the page to make money for you. You might have been watching a lot of videos from Facebook, 3-minute videos, 4-minute videos, videos from comedians, videos from actors. Most of these people you watch on Facebook, as you watch those videos, they make money. All right, because Facebook take advertisements from advertisers, then the advertisers pay for the advertisement to Facebook to put the advertisements on your videos or on videos on Facebook. And as Facebook is making money, you are also making money. Now, remember I said it doesn't matter the geographic location in which you are or anywhere you are around the world, you can make money on Facebook. Now, growing the Facebook, what do you need before you can be monetized? First, the first requirement is 10,000 followers. Yes, you need to grow the Facebook page to get 10,000 followers. Remember I said it is a page, not a profile. So you need to grow the page to 10,000 followers. As you finish growing the page, or let me say as soon as the page is 10,000 followers, Facebook is going to send you an invite to apply for monetization. But before Facebook sends you the invite to apply for monetization, you still need another requirement, because not just the Facebook followers you need in order to make money on Facebook. Now, that is the first criteria you need. The second criteria you need is you need 600,000 watch minutes. Yes, I said you need 600,000 watch minutes on your Facebook page in order to make money. First, there must be active videos on your page, 3 minutes long videos on your page, at least 5 of them. Then the videos from your page, make sure you are also posting short clips, reels, short videos, 3-minute videos, 4-minute videos, 2-minute videos. But the disadvantage with 2-minute videos is that 2-minute videos may not give you the required amounts of time. Remember, you need 600,000 watch minutes within 2 months. All right, they must accumulate within 60 days, 2 months, before then 10,000 followers together will give you the monetization. Like I said, sometimes Facebook will send you an invite, but there are various ways you can monetize, various things you can monetize. People make money from videos on Facebook. There are requirements for that. People make money from live chats, live streams. There are requirements for that. Then other people make money from maybe just normal text on Facebook, normal posts, normal comments, and they make money. All right, but you need these requirements at first. Then at the end of the day, you can make money from all those streams if your Facebook page is eligible. Facebook will tell you there are things, like I said, you don't need to do on the page. All right, so that's what you should know. Now remember, I said you need 600,000 watch minutes. The reason you need to be posting short videos, 3 minutes long videos once in a while, is because you want to be gathering those minutes. As soon as you are about to hit 10,000 followers, you need to be posting those short clips, those short videos, so that as people watch, you also accumulate time. All right, it is very, very important, so that you note all of this. Note all of this, because if you do not know some of these things, it is going to disturb you a lot. All right, so knowing this is good. Now, these are the requirements you need before you can monetize the page, your Facebook page. Now remember, I said there are some places where you can't monetize Facebook in some countries. Let me say Africa continent, to be precise. I think the only country which is eligible for monetization should be South Africa. But however, everybody around the world seems to be making money from Facebook. How do they do it? Especially these people that are located in these countries that cannot monetize Facebook. How do they do it? That is what I'm going to explain to you right now. Now, there are two ways you can use if you are in an ineligible country. All right, if you are in a country, for example, in Nigeria, or maybe in Kenya, or maybe in Cameroon, it is going to be very difficult for you to monetize your Facebook page. However, there is a way you can do it. The first way I want to let you know is by using a VPN. A VPN, we know what a VPN is, right? If you don't know, type on Google VPN. You use a VPN to give you an external connection, or maybe an external IP address. Then you apply for monetization using a VPN. But there is something you need to know. The VPN is disadvantageous in the way that, in case you forget to turn on the VPN when you are about maybe to upload a video, or maybe when you are about to do something sensible, Facebook will discover you and they will demonetize your page. So that's the disadvantage of using a VPN. All right, that's the disadvantage. You can use a VPN, but that's the disadvantage. But if you know you can be using it, you can be active, you can always remember, then you are good to go. That's why you see a lot of people, a lot of skit makers, a lot of comedians in Nigeria. Nigeria is ineligible for monetization, but you see them, they're making videos. They are making huge money. All right, that is because they are probably using the VPN for their connection, or maybe they are using the second method I want to talk about now. Now, what is the second method I want to talk about? The second method in which you can use to monetize your Facebook page is in an ineligible country is you can find somebody, a friend, a colleague, a sister, or a brother in an eligible country. Then you make them an admin on your page, an administrator on your page. Because every admin on every page is like the page owner. I hope you understand. So if you make them an admin on your page, then they will have access to your page. Everything inside your page they will be able to see. Therefore, you can make them an admin. Then when you are eligible for monetization, they would apply for the monetization in the country in which they are, in the eligible country in which they are. That is the way you can use to monetize your Facebook page. Alright, that's the way you can use to monetize your Facebook page. Or the second way, let me put it this way, I beg your pardon. The second way to monetize your Facebook page, that is the most common way people are using to make money on Facebook, people in ineligible countries. But now, this method involves a little of caution. Why do I say it needs a little bit of caution? Because for you to make somebody an admin, we already know how the world is. A lot of people are behaving funny. You should be able to know the person very well. You should be able to trust the person very well. Because there are cases people are making money from other people's pages that they were made admin on those pages and they are eating the money. They are playing games with the people. So you have to be careful. All right, you have to be careful. You have to be very, very careful. Make sure before you make somebody an admin on your page, you should be able to trust the person. Again, remember to trust. Trust is very important. Take note of who you make an admin on your page. You have to be careful. All right, these are the two possible ways. But the second way, like I said, you have to be careful and know the person very well before you make the person an admin on your page. This is just an advice because a lot of people are losing their pages to people they made admin on their page, but because they are making money, these people have now blocked them and removed them from the page. Because an administrator from on your page, of course, can access everything, can even remove you from the page. I'm telling you because he is an administrator. I hope you understand. So these are some of the things we should know and we should understand. I will be bringing more videos about how to make money on social media and stuff like that. Even on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, I'll be making more videos on how to grow social media.